you're a student in Seesaw, the first thing you want to do is make sure you click on your name to make sure you are in the correct class. So we're in the correct class. Students are going to find their activities by clicking on Activities, and we are going to go to the technology contract. So if you click Add, that is how a student is going to add their response. They have all of the options that they would have on any picture. For this specific assignment, we think using the draw tool is the best. It will allow your students on the iPad. There will be a record button here, so students can record their voice reading the contract, and at the end, after they have recorded their voice, they'll also be able to sign their name. And when they're done, they'll hit the check mark. If they do a video, this will be their preview page, so they could play that video back to make sure their audio sounds good. And when they're sure it's complete, they'll hit the check mark to add it to their journal. And as you can see, it says that it's waiting teacher approval for me, Dory. And on your teacher page, you would be able to go back in and approve that item for the student.